This video is the solution of class 10 max exercise 10.2 question number 9. In figure 10.13, this is the given figure. XY and x dash y dash are the two parallel tangent to a circle with center O. Okay, this is the circle and xy, x dash y dash are the two parallel tangents. And another tangent AB, this is another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Prove that angle AOB is 90 degrees. Okay, this is the given figure. First join O to C. Now take the triangles OPA and OCA. See here in these two triangles, OP is equal to OC. Why? Because these two are radius to the same circle. And also AP is equal to AC. These are the tangents drawn from point A. And also OA is equal to OA, that is common side for both triangles. Okay, first write down that in triangle OPA and triangle OCA, OP is equal to OC. These are radius to the same circle. And AP is equal to AC. These are tangents from point A. Next, OA is equal to OA. This is common side for both triangles. Okay. So, by SSS congruency, these two triangles are congruent. Okay. So, triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OCA by SSS congruency. Okay. So, we can write angle AOP is equal to angle AOC. It is angle AOP is equal to angle AOC by CPCT. Okay. Let us take this is equation number 1. In the same way, take the triangles BOC and BOQ. In these two triangles also, BO is equal to BO, that is common side, and BQ is equal to BC. These are tangents from B. And also OC is equal to OQ. These are the radius to the same circle. Okay. In triangles BQO and BCO, BO is equal to BO, that is common side. And also BQ is equal to BC. These are tangents from point B. Okay. And also OC is equal to OQ. These are radius to the same circle. These two triangles also congruent by SSS congruency. Okay. So, triangle BQO is congruent to triangle BOC by SSS congruency criteria. So, we can write angle BOQ is equal to angle BOC. So, by CPCT, we will write angle BOQ is equal to angle BOC by CPCT. This is equation number 2. See here. PQ is a diameter to the circle. Okay, so the angle at O is 180 degrees. PQ is straight line. The sum of all these angles are equal to 180. So that is angle POA, angle AOC, angle COB, angle BOQ are equal to 180. Okay, so write down angle POA plus angle COA plus angle COB plus angle QOB is equal to 180. From equations 1 and 2, we know that angle POA is equal to angle COA. So, write down instead of angle POA, angle COA plus angle COA, write as it is, plus angle COB plus angle QOB is equal to angle BOC from equation number 2. So, write angle BOC instead of angle QOB. So, that is 180 degrees. angle COA plus angle COE is 2 angle COA plus angle COB plus angle COB is 2 angle COB is equal to 180 degrees. So take 2 as common and angle COA plus angle COB is equal to 180 degrees. Then angle COA plus angle COB is equal to 180 divided by 2, that is 90 degrees. Okay, from figure angle COA plus angle COB is equal to the total angle AOB. Okay, so the sum of these two angles is equal to angle AOB, that is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so hence prove the given statement.